went with my father in Chowking restaurant in Masbate City, where we order a laureate, and my father is carrying the two pineapple juice, and he put it in the table, and we waited for the main course. While waiting, we're just drinking the pineapple juice. And my father also drink the pineapple juice while we are waiting for the main course. And the plates of food arrive, and we start tasting the food, eating it, and enjoying our meal. I took a video of my father and me eating the food, and the halo halo also arrived here. The halo halo, it's a famous dessert in the Philippines, mixture of sweets with ice. I am thankful to God that I have still a father, although I miss my mom very much, because we used to eat with mom in restaurants. But now only me and my father. But I thank God that I have still a father, and praying that may God give him a long life. Just enjoying the life that has been given to us by God, and God wants us to eat and drink. That's why He created us to enjoy our life, to enjoy eating and drinking, to enjoy this life that He has given to us. We should be always thankful to God for the life that we have, because we don't know when will our life will end. Be kind to one another, to every people. Don't try to hurt others. Avoid arguments. Avoid unnecessary hurt words, quarrel.